Don't become an entrepreneur
just to make money, because it's fake money.
Exactly.
And they're fake assets. And you got fake teachers. And some of the biggest fake teachers are your financial planners. Oh yeah, let me tell you what to do with your money. Give it to me. They're not bad people.
Shots fired out the gate. I agree with what he said so far. And if you understand how money works, and you understand how this economy is ran, and if you understand that the Fed can just print more money, then you understand exactly why he's saying what he is saying in this video specifically.
School teachers bad people? I would say 60% are good people. Most of them just want a paycheck.
Say that I am on the stance of you don't have to go to college. Okay, let me clarify. You don't have to go to college in order to be successful.
If you're an idiot in real estate, you're still an idiot. So if you're going to be an entrepreneur, online is one way, but you're still an idiot if you're not good at it. What I say to people is this: it's not how much money you make, which I cover in fake, it's what you do with the money.
Very true. No matter, and this is why we over here in the Go Viral Searchers community, we put value first, because the character, right, will be revealed sooner or later. Stick to your true self, because you cannot fake but for so long.